Today we are doing a little bit of a cat eye makeup look. This is going to be a super fast tutorial. I do not have a lot of time before I have to run to go pick up my son from school. I just wanted you to join me while I do my makeup, and I'm showing you a little eye trick of how I get this smoky cat eye without using a liquid liner. So let's get started. Okay, as always, I'm going to start with a little SPF. So today I'm using my In Beauty Mineral Sun Glow, and this one is in medium deep. It's going to add a lot of bronze to my face, which at this point in the wintertime, I kind of need it. I'm a little pale, and it just goes on so nice. It adds a little shimmer, which I love. I just apply it all over. I'm kind of wore out today. I did yoga this morning and I'm just feeling kind of quiet. So nice, huh? It just leaves such a nice little bronzy glow. I love it so much. That's how it goes on. I probably should be wearing my headband today, but I'm just not feeling it. I'm kind of wore out. We had such a long week. My husband and I created so much content for brands all week long. I'm just so wore out and ready for the weekend. I like to bring it down my neck just a little. I'm not planning to be out in the sun, but it's still important to put on that SPF. Even the sunlight coming through the window can actually damage your skin. Next, I'm going to be applying my Your Skin But Better CC cream. This is in the color medium, and I'm also using my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe brush. It's two-sided. This is number 7. This is an award-winning brush. I've mentioned it before in my videos, and it's such a great option if you don't want to use a sponge. So I'm just going to put it all over my face, and instead of just sliding it around, I'm going to slide a little, but I'm going to be pushing it into my skin. And if you noticed from my last makeup video, I dyed my hair. I wanted to have a lesser high maintenance hair style. So I went with the brown, and the extensions looked so good. I am having so much fun with them. Look how nice that looks. It literally looks like your skin, but better. Hence the name. She's looking good. We like. I'm gonna do a little bit of contour with a bronzer, a cream bronzer. I received a whole bunch of colors from The Glamatory, and I tried to find a couple of them online and I couldn't. I'm not sure if they're out of business or not, but I love how they have so much pigment in them. And I love how it's versatile. It's kind of a bronzer. You can use it as a contour. You can use it as a lip gloss, an eyeshadow. I really love their colors, and I'm a little disappointed that I cannot find them any longer. I received it in a PR package, and I had so much fun using all of their colors, and I don't know much about them or what happened. So I'm just gonna use it up, and then I'll have to go to Sephora and have some fun finding an alternative. I hate when you fall in love with a product and then poof, suddenly it's gone, or they stop making it, and it's just unfortunate. Okay, so you can see I kind of contoured a little bit where I want to chisel some features like around my jaw. I'm going to go in with actual bronzer and highlighter, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Glow Kit. It has 4 different colors. They are all just gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in with my highlight and just do my high cheekbones, down my nose. And I blended both these over here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix both the bronze and the tourmaline color, the purpley color. And just go a little bit on my high cheekbone, down my nose. There we go. I really like the glow that my skin has so far with this makeup. I've already kind of done my brows. I did that first off camera, but I'm gonna fill in just a little bit. This is my e.l.f. brow pencil. I normally use my Anastasia brow, but I got this last minute at a CVS or a Walgreens, I can't remember, when I was out of town. And it works pretty darn good. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a couple of my favorite Skin, S-K-I-N-N shadows, Linen and Espresso. So I'm just gonna kind of lay the foundation and use their brush. And I'm just gonna rub it. I'm just going to put it all over my lid. And it's such a good neutral color, this linen color. I never really tried cream eyeshadows until I got these from Skin. And I now am obsessed. I'm feeling a little shiny, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a translucent powder where I'm seeing too much shine. So we'll do that in just a second. Such a pretty color. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier. She is lovely. As I spill, tap off the excess and just push it where I'm really too shiny. I don't want to be too shiny, you know what I'm saying? I like some shine, but much better. I was just a little too shiny, you know, on the lip lines and around the mouth. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with the espresso color on the eyelid. I'm just gonna kind of do a couple dots. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna just blend that in and up, just subtly. It's almost slightly purple, but it's definitely a brown. Do 1, 2. I learned makeup in the 90s, right? And they taught you some funky things that we don't do anymore. I definitely like bringing the darker color up than just leaving it in the crease. And I remember I was at the mall at like a Macy's years ago, or maybe Nordstrom. And they were like, no, just leave it in the crease. And this was so sad. I was probably a freshman in high school and they did a makeover on me. And I walked out of Nordstrom to shop at the mall crying. They made me look so bad. I was so embarrassed. I had raccoon eyes and they made my brows so crazy thick. Like I didn't even look like myself. And when you're that age, like you're scared you're gonna see people you know at the mall. It was so embarrassing. I can't believe I cried, but I did. All right, I'm gonna go in with a little blush, just a pink. This is Glamatory as well. Again, it's so pigmented. I'm so sad that I can't find it, but I know that there's other really great brands, probably higher end brands that have the same product or a similar product, and I need to just get over myself and go try some at Sephora. I am seeing like too much bronzer right here. There we go. But this added the perfect pink pop that I wanted. Nothing too crazy. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my lips because we're gonna do pink today. I have to go get my son from school today. So I'm hurrying. I'm going to go in with my Sweed. I've talked about this before. And this is such a great color. It's called Dusty Brown. And honestly, I like it a lot. I might do a little bit of a smoky eye today. We're gonna go in subtly underneath and do a little tight line. Bring it out. Use my finger to just blend it out a little. And then some days I like to go in with a darker color. This is my Naked 2 palette, Urban Decay. And I'm just gonna go in with Blackout. I'm gonna go in and line, just gently dab black on that line. So rather than doing a liquid liner, I am making it a little bit more matte and subtle. And don't be scared. When you're lining with a shadow, you can really rub and you have extra play room with it. And then when we're done, I'm gonna go over it with a translucent so that it stays put and doesn't stick to the top. You can use your finger, you can use an eyeshadow brush. Okay, turn off your car. And this line is gonna stay put the rest of the day. Okay, I'm gonna go in on the other side with my Blackout color. I love Naked palettes. I've always loved them. This one's, it's getting old. And they say your makeup could actually go bad and not be good. So it's probably time for me to get a new one. Okay, I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara and then lip, and then we are done. This is my Shiseido eyelash curler. It is the best eyelash curler. I have not found one that I love better, so I will continue to use her because she's amazing and she has not let me down. This is my Lancome Mascara Primer Booster. This is a new one. It's very liquidy and not sticky. As time goes by, it gets stickier. But when it's brand new, I like to leave it on my lashes just to get a little bit sticky. Just leave it there for just a few seconds. And then I'm gonna go in with my Sweed mascara. I really think that this primer makes my lashes look like falsies. So fun. Okay, one more eye. It looks like I'm not gonna be late to pick up my son. Yay! If you have not tried this lash booster, you gotta run. Don't walk, run. It will make such a difference in your eyelashes. I've been using it for years, and the last time I had my lashes done, the gal doing my lashes was like, you use a serum, don't you? Because your eyelashes are so long and so pretty and so amazing. And I was like, nope, all I use is that primer. She's like, oh my goodness, it's working for you. And I'm like, I'm telling you, I tell everybody, this is the best mascara primer ever. And it's not cheap, but it does last. And it's just well worth every penny. And when this mascara runs out, I will be on the hunt for a new one. So if you have a favorite mascara, please comment and tell me what is your fave and why. Okay, while I let my lashes dry, I'm gonna do my lips really fast because I'm in a hurry. I don't wanna be late. I didn't even do concealer today, ladies. This is what I call express makeup. I'm going in with the Glamatory lip liner. This one does not even have a title on it, a name on it. I can't tell you what color it is. Again, I was sent so many of their products and I loved them. They don't have a lot on their website anymore. I don't know if they're going out of business. I'm not sure. I'm just overlining. Just a little bit. I'm gonna do a little trick where I put on CC cream. This is the matte CC cream. Sometimes I just put a little bit on my lips to make them a little more, I don't know what it is. It's almost like you're putting a concealer on your lips, but super matte. This matte CC cream is great for the face if you're oily and great for your lips. Okay, this was really easy today. I kind of was in a hurry. I'm so glad that you joined me on doing my makeup. A little bit of a cat eye, a little bit of a smoky eye. It was so much fun having you here with me so I can talk to you while I'm doing my makeup. If you like this video, definitely keep watching. I'll have more skincare, makeup, fashion related content, and I'd love a like, subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know your favorite products and why you love them. And I have so many more video ideas to come, and I promise I won't always be so rushed. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.